Good day and welcome to simtree. In this short video we are going to cover how to work with manual scheduling of simtree. In the schedule view you see your agents on the left side and you see the dates on top and you see the schedule itself in the center spreadsheet. On top of the schedule you see a chart with the target number of people being a black line and the number of people being scheduled is the purple line. You can easily change date range to work with the date range control. You can use the short keys to select last week, this week, next week, or the range of dates that are published to the agents. You can also just select among the dates you see, a single day or a full week, whatever you like, or several weeks. To make an entirely new shift, you click on an empty cell and you select the edit up here and then you add a task. After that you can move this task on the screen by dragging or changing the duration and start and finish like that. You can also add breaks and move that around like that. Or you can move the entire shift with a white triangle like that, and then the break and the shift is moved together. You can easily edit an existing shift in the same way. As an option to dragging, and so you can select the time in the time controls inside the table like that. To make a split shift you add a second task and then you just drag that to the side and you have a split shift like that. And this break should be removed like that. You can also select another task type, being a supervisor, and you can drag this by itself. If you move it into the other task, they will join together like that. You can even drag the supervisor task into the operator task to split up the operator task like that. Next is to look at keyboard commands. You can press Ctrl C to select this shift and select another empty shift and press Ctrl V on the keyboard to make a copy of that shift. Or you can select the range of cells and press Ctrl V to have the same shift for all of these days or employees. You can click on the shift and you can drag it to another place, or you can click on the shift and control drag it to another place like that. You can also click on the shift and press delete on the keyboard to remove that shift entirely. You can also use the keyboard command Ctrl A if you want to select everything inside the schedule. Or you can click on an employee and select all shifts of this employee. You can sort the schedule by clicking on the header like this, and then the schedule is sorted by start time. You can also make your favorite shift and save them as custom shift. So if we pick this shift and go to Tools and save as a custom shift. Give it a name, my second shift, and give it a command number 6, and save. Now you can use Control 6 to enter this shift at any other place. So Control 6, or if you select the range, and Control 6, and the shift is entered. So this was the basics of manual scheduling inside SimTree, and thank you very much for listening. Stay tuned.